Welcome to this PataDelivery tutorial where we briefly talk about the account details, the deposits and the withdrawals. In the profile page, you will be required to put in details of yourself and your vehicles. This includes your ID, your driver's license and your insurance. You will also be required to attach a copy of the required documents. You can update your account password accordingly. In the accounts page, you will be required to include your bank details. When you click on mobile money, you will be required to put in your M-Pesa number. When you are done, click on the update button. On clicking the update button, you will receive a text from Call It to the number you registered with. That number will contain an OTP code. Furthermore, you will receive an email on the email address you registered with that contains the OTP code. Use the 5-digit number and insert on the OTP dialog box. Upon successful entry of the OTP, your account will be updated accordingly. Now, let's talk about deposits. Click on the top right menu and select Deposit button. Deposits are done for accounts that are paid on delivery. Click on the Make Deposit button and you will receive an STK push where you insert your PIN. Furthermore, you will receive an email in that registered account that shows you how much money you've deposited in the account. Lastly, let's talk about the withdrawal. When you enter the withdrawal page, the amount balance shown on your wallet comes from prepaid orders. All you have to do is click on the Request Withdrawal button, and all the money shown on the wallet will either be sent to your M-Pesa number or to your bank account. You choose. You will furthermore receive an email confirming the withdrawal amount. Thank you.